everybody. I wanted to come to you today and show you how you can make peanut butter in the Deluxe cooking blender in just a couple minutes. And say you're allergic to peanuts or tree nuts. You can also make sunflower butter or almond butter, cashew butter, whatever you might not be allergic to. So this is an awesome idea for anybody that has allergies. You can also make oat flour if you're trying to stay away from gluten or, you know, anything like that, or trying to lose weight and not eat the flour. So you can make almond flour. After you make your almond milk, you can use the pulp and make flour from it. There's a lot you can do with this blender, but let's get started on our peanut butter today and I'll show you how easy it is. Okay. First we have to turn it on. And you'll notice if you're a quick cooker owner or you have seen the quick cooker videos I've made, it beeps and clicks and lets you know it's ready to use. Well, this blender does the same thing. It will not spin unless you have the lid off, just like the quick cooker won't work and open with the lid without the lid on. And then the blades on this are not sharp. It's not cutting, it's pulverizing. So I'm sure that you could probably really dig your hand on it and make it cut, but it's not sharp. I've touched it. Okay. Now we know it's open. And let's get our peanuts. It takes 3 cups of peanuts, and this will make a pint of peanut butter. Okay. So you just dump your peanuts in. I love these bowls for this blender. This is a big one, and I use this for my beans too, when I'm measuring beans for the quick cooker, because it's 3 cups of water for every cup of beans, and this is a 3 cup. The big one is a 3 cup, and I'm able to easily interchange my measurements. But these are flexible. They come in 1, 2, and 3 cup bowls. And they're great for when you have to pour it in the middle of this, and you can kind of do that and it'll pour right in the middle. Anyway, let's get back to our peanut butter, sorry. You just put your lid on, and then you turn it to grind, and you hit start. It'll start grinding, and take the middle out so you can use this tamper if needed. It looks like it's not working, but it is. There we go. Is specifically made, it's kind of loud because we're grinding peanuts, but I'll tell you in a minute. Now we have creamy peanut butter. If you didn't want it to be as creamy, you could not let it run as long. There's a little timer on there that counts down. You can see how long it's left. You can always hit cancel and end it at any time, and you could leave it chunky if you like chunky peanut butter. I like creamy. My husband likes creamy, so I let it run the full time, and it gets all those chunks worked out. Okay, now I'm going to show you this awesome peanut butter. This is a great way to have peanut butter for dogs. I know that sounds crazy, but my dog loves peanut butter, and people like to stuff it in their Kongs to chew on. But when we first got her, I was using just regular Jif peanut butter, and there is a lot of corn syrup in it and a lot of sugar. And I didn't know that, and it was making her have a sugar rush. And I found out that it can lead to diabetes in dogs later. So it became a once in a while treat. Well, with this, there's no corn syrup. So I can just give her peanut butter in her Kong, and she loves it. She did not get the sugar rush because it's just protein. And now this that I used was salted peanuts. It calls for unsalted, and you add a little salt. But if you use salted, you just don't add any salt to it. And as long as they're roasted, they'll smash up and turn to butter. Okay. I'm going to use this little freezer tray. They come in a set of 2. They're metal. They were really originally made to, when you're making the ice cream with our ice cream maker, to be able to lay it in here and your things freeze quickly because it's distributed out thin. But you can bake in them, and it holds a pint, and it's perfect for the peanut butter. You can also put them in a pint jar, in a mason jar. And there's your peanut butter. It's awesome. It's wonderful. Once you have this, I'll clean this out after I get off here with you guys. Once you have this like this, and you find out that for about the same price or less, depending on how much you pay for your peanuts, I just get Walmart or Kroger brand peanuts. But depending on how much you pay for your peanuts, you can get this cheaper than a jar of regular peanut butter, and it doesn't have all the added, you know, corn syrup especially, and preservatives and things like that. I love it. I can't get over how great it is. So, anyway, I'm going to fill up the rest of my little pint container, and it comes with this little lid so that you can stack them, and you can write on them. Like if you put it in the freezer, you can do dry erase marker on them and be able to label what it is. I keep one with grape jelly and one with peanut butter in it in my refrigerator, it seems, now that I've gotten this blender, because I can make the jelly so fast too. And then it's ready anytime I want it, or my husband. And that's about it, I guess. Now that tamper, what I was going to tell you is, this tamper is specifically designed for this blender. And as long as you have the lid on with the middle insert out, this will not allow it to go down to the blades. It's made to keep it from going all the way to the blades. So that's not a fear. And now, once I clean out the rest of this with a spatula, I'll rake it out. I can do what some of the consultants are doing and put ice cream in it. Some of them are putting ice cream in it and making a peanut butter milkshake with the leftover peanut butter. Because there is a little bit left in there that you can't get out all the way, of course. But once that's done, all I have to do is fill up to the three cup mark, and with water, put a couple drops of Dawn in it, turn it on to heated wash, and it will wash it. And it's amazing. All you have to do is rinse it out. Easy cleanup. So I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, I'm here. And if you would really like to get one of these blenders, talk to me, because we can get you one for 60% off, and if you have a party. And if you earn enough, you might even be able to get it for free or cheaper than 60% off. I've had some hosts that's had that happen. So get a hold of me, we'll get you one of these blenders. It's awesome. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.